launched its new wearables, the Realme Watch S2, which offers the AI personal assistance and a 20-day battery life and is priced at Rs 4,499. Realme also launched the Realme Buds T310, features 46 dB hybrid noise cancellation and 40-hour playback time. Well, talking about the specific details, let me tell you that the Realme Buds T310 are designed to give you an excellent audio experience. They come with 46 dB hybrid noise cancellation, letting you choose from 3 levels of noise reduction to suit your needs. The earbuds feature 12.4 mm dynamic bass driver for deep, powerful sound and 360-degree spatial audio effect for an immersive listening. You can enjoy up to 40 hours of playback time with these earbuds. Also, for clear calls in noisy places, the AI deep call noise reduction helps a lot. It is a smart dual device connection that lets you switch easily between devices. With 45 ms ultra low latency, the audio stays perfectly in sync with your video. The earbud is very light at 4.2 grams. The earbud has 110-degree earphone cover for a comfortable fit. These come in Monist Purple, Vibrant Black and Agile White and priced at Rs 2,199. Talking about the Watch S2, well, the Watch S2 is the newest addition to AIoT lineup of Realme. It comes with Super AI engine for AI personal assistant and a smart dial engine. The watch has 1.43 inches AMOLED display and a high-quality stainless steel body with a stylish glass cover. Also, this is IP68 dust and water resistant, so it's both durable and reliable. It has a long battery life of up to 20 days on a single charge, so you don't have to recharge it frequently. Comes in metallic grey, midnight black and ocean silver. And like we told you, it is priced at Rs 4,499.